Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a portable kids dollhouse using templates that have been universally designed for any kid's portable lunchbox. Depending on which one you're using, the applicability and also layout should most likely be the same. Once you have printed your templates, you just have to cut them out and apply them to either cardboard, corrugated plastic, thin wood, or thick foam board. You can find these at any craft store or hardware store, but it will most likely only come in a large quantity. In the description of this video, I'll throw some links to where you can find the material in smaller batches, or you can always purchase directly from my Etsy store as a kit, and it will save you some money in the long run. In this example, I'm showing you what it will look like after you have printed and cut each template, as I assemble it to show you how it will all go together. You can skip this step as this is just an example. Once you have transferred your templates into the material that you will be using, you can start to assemble frame pieces and stairs. These were designed to not require any kind of adhesive or assembly, but feel free to do so for extra security. After you have assembled all the pieces, you can use the provided graphics for each one of the rooms by either printing them on decal sheets of paper or simply gluing them to each one of the walls and flooring with glue stick. I've done it both ways and they both work well, although the glossy sheet of decal paper ends up looking really good with a more professional finish. As you can see in this DIY video, everything is meant to be able to easily be removed in case you need to use the lunchbox or some of the lunchbox for its intended purpose. The sidewalls and flooring were intentionally not printed to size in case you end up needing some extra. For the patio panel and table area, you can use double-sided tape to apply it to the lunch bag for extra security. This area was also designed to where it doesn't interfere with the house framing once you close the bag and it's not in use. In case you don't have access to these smaller type of dolls, I will also include a link to where you can make your own using a similar process with printouts. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did, and that your little ones enjoy it as much as my kids have enjoyed playing with these. If you found any value in any part of this video, please feel free to leave a comment or some feedback, and of course, please share and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and set alerts for future similar content designed to create a very unique type of fun for kids. Thank you guys for watching.